What's going on, everybody? It's Sesame Gaming here, back with a new YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can, in fact, build a nether portal just like Dream does. And so what you're going to need is one water bucket, building blocks of your choice, flint and steel, and some extra buckets. Now with these extra buckets, fill them up from the lava source that you have found. You will need a lava source of some kind. So now, come down here, get your blocks that you need, and go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And do it on all of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you need to visualize that, it is 1 diagonally and 1 diagonally, and up 4. So now, shovel out this 4x4 area and put your water right here. So now you are going to want to place in these lava buckets to make the obsidian. Now if you do mess up, that's fine. Just make sure you have enough lava with these other buckets. So now what you're going to do is just make the normal nether portal shape like that, and if you need to, just move the water to the next one and repeat it until you have the pattern of a nether portal. So now take the water and put it right here, build over 1. And now, whoops, put the water there. Then, now we just need to put the water there. Go get our final bit of lava and put it right there. And it completely disappeared. So get this one. Don't want that to happen again. So instead, I'm going to put it here. Whoopsies, guys. Do it from the top. Make sure the water's on top. And there we go. Put the water there. And there's the obsidian that we needed. So now, with your flint and steel, you're now able to light the portal. And it just turned nighttime, so there is a zombie chasing me. So when you have completed the portal, just hop right into it, and you will now be, in the nether, as you can see. And so if this tutorial did help, make sure to like and subscribe, turn on the notifications so that you get notified every time I upload, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!